Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather and today we got all of the new accessories that Insta360 has launched for the Insta360 X5 action camera. So we're going to have a detailed look on all of these new accessories, what are their functions, how they are going to contribute in the better user experience with X5 and which one you should buy based on your requirements and necessities. So here we go. So these are the 5 accessories we got today here. This one is extended edition selfie stick. Here we got the GPS preview remote with built-in microphone. We got the mic here, the new ultra battery for X5 and the ND filter. So first of all, let's start with the ultra battery. So here we got the picture of the ultra battery. It is especially for the Insta360 X5 and it comes with 2800 mAh capacity. So here we got some quick start guide, safety guide, user manuals. And here is the 2800 mAh ultra battery for Insta360 X5. So this is the carrying case for the ultra battery we got here. So that's quite nice. It's looking a very solid, durable case. And here is the battery, the ultra battery for Insta360 X5. The next one we got here is the ND filter. The packaging does not come with any kind of Insta360 branding, but here you can see it says this is ND64 here we got. So this is going to be quite useful for cinematic videography from Insta360 X5, especially in harsh lighting condition. So let's open it and let's see what we got inside. So here we got a cleaning cloth. Once again, a very nice carrying box we got here. And here we got our ND64 filter for Insta365. You can also use this for S Pro 2, but it will be ND32 for that because of the different lens size and aperture. So this case is really nice, quite beautiful and premium to carry the ND filters for your Insta360 X5. And now here we got the GPS preview remote with built-in mic. So here you can see we got the picture of the product with the wind noise reduction muff. Here it shows what are the stuff we got inside. So here we got the mic cover, the dead cat fur. Here is a clip. Here is the GPS preview remote with built-in mic. You can see it comes with the USB Type-C port. We got all of these buttons here. Here we got the magnet base for the GPS preview remote. And here is the wrist strap using which you can wear the GPS preview remote on your wrist and control the Insta360 X5 from a distance. So these are all of the stuff we got inside the retail box of GPS preview remote, the remote with built-in mic, the mic cover, clip, the magnetic base and the wrist strap. Now talking about the extended edition selfie stick, you can see it is pretty big in size. Here we got the picture of the product. Using the selfie stick, you can take shots equivalent to a drone. It can be extended from 36 cm to 3 meters and it comes with carbon fiber string. And here is the Insta360 mic here. So here you can see that we got the combination of transmission and transmitter and receiver. You can also buy only one of the unit here, but we got the combo pack. It is very small in size, just like a coin. It is ultra lightweight. It comes with high quality audio and one press noise cancellation feature, and it weighs just 7.9 grams. And these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Insta360 mic Air. So let's open this box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got the user manual, a very nice carrying case. So here is our transmitter and receiver for Insta360 mic here. We got this button magnet here. Here we got the windshield, the charging base to charge the Insta360 mic here. Here we got the magnetic pendant and then here is the clip attachment. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Insta360 mic here, the transmitter and receiver pack, the transmitter and receiver unit, the button magnet, the pendant magnet with this pendant magnet, windshield, the clip and the charging base along with the user manual. So if you got an Insta360 X5, then the extended edition selfie stick is one of the must-have accessory for you because you can use it for multiple purposes. The most important one is to capture 360-degree images and videos from different angles and perspectives. It can be extended up to 3 meters, so you can take some great 360 videos and images from different angles and perspectives with the help of the extended edition selfie stick. As I mentioned earlier, you can even take the pictures and images that look like captured from a drone. It comes with very nice and comfortable grip. You can even connect it with a tripod to extend it even further and for better stability. It also works as the invisible selfie stick, and since the viewing angle or the perspective of a 360 image or video captured by holding the 360-degree camera in hand looks quite weird, once again it is kind of mandatory to have a selfie stick for your Insta360 X5, and the extended edition selfie stick is the best option for you. If you are on a trip or you're going to capture lots of 360 images and videos from your Insta360 X5, then the new high capacity battery is one of the must-have accessory for you, as it is going to extend the runtime for your X5 and it will allow you to capture more images, more videos without worrying about charging the battery of your X5. So you can carry it as a replacement battery, and as soon as the first battery of X5 is down, you can just put this new high capacity battery, or you can use it as your primary battery as well for your X5 for extended usage. If you use your Insta360 X5 in bright sunny outdoors, then the newly launched ND filters are must-have accessories for you, as they prevent overexposure, improves image quality a lot, and provides very nice cinematic motion blur in your 360-degree images and videos. You got 3 options to select when it comes to ND filters for X5, and depending on the brightness intensity and exposure, you can go with any of them based on your preference. It comes with a smart ND filter detection technology, so as soon as you connect your ND filter with Insta360 X5, it will detect it and it will give you the option just to confirm which ND filter you are using, provide the accurate and the most effective visual effect for your pictures and videos. Here's a quick sample showing the video output with and without using the ND filter on your X5. So if you are going to use your X5 in bright sunny outdoors and you want control over the exposure and to add some nice cinematic motion blur effect, then the ND filters for your X5 are must-have accessories for you. If you want better quality audio while recording the videos from Insta360 X5, then the newly launched mic here is one of the must-have accessories for you, and it is designed for seamless integration into the Insta360 ecosystem, so it comes with direct connectivity with your X5. It records audio in high quality 48 kHz with built-in noise reduction, and you can even use it as a remote control for your Insta360 X5. So if you use your Insta360 X5 to record 360-degree videos and you want better audio quality in them, then the Insta360 mic here is one of the must-have accessory for you for sure. And if you use your Insta360 X5 from a distance, or if you are a biker or cyclist, then the newly launched GPS preview remote with built-in mic is a great accessory for you, as it comes with built-in microphone with 2 adjustable noise reduction mode with 24-bit and 32-bit float recording on the internal storage, and you can use it as a remote up to 160 meter. So that's quite impressive. And of course it records the GPS data for your cycling or biking activities. It comes with customizable wallpaper feature, so you can personalize the display with your logo, personal favorite wallpaper, or any of your images. And it also supports the wrist twist feature to remotely start shooting on your Insta360 X5. So if you want a versatile device for your Insta360 X5 that can work as a noise cancelling microphone, remote control while tracking the GPS data of your activities, then the GPS preview remote with built-in microphone is one of the best accessory for you. So which accessory you think is the best and must have for you? The extended edition selfie stick, GPS preview mic, the mic air, ND filter, or the new high capacity battery. Feel free to share your feedback and opinion in the comment section below. If you want to buy any of these accessories for your Insta360 X5, then I have shared the link in the description of this video. And if you found this video helpful, if you like it, then do not forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.